Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta. I hope you all are doing well, and this video is going to be a first impression video. Just to give you a background, last week I was in Goa, which is basically a beach place for my international river, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful boho kind of chilled out place. You can just go out, beautiful beaches, beautiful place, and you can relax. So I was there and I love that place, but I got really tanned and is still there on my face. I am still not able to get rid of that tan. And while I was searching for something which can remove my tan naturally, I got to know about this Patanjali face pack, which is made of multani mitti, which is basically full of earth and aloe vera. Both of these are supposed to be great for your skin. Multani mitti essentially removes any kind of tan from your face. It also regenerates. Aloe vera is definitely great for skin. It kind of works for everything. This particular face pack comes in this tube packaging. This is for 60 rupees and I got 60 gram in this. As you can see, it's a white packaging. Multani mitti, full of earth and aloe vera made on this, and this has a multani mitti kind of background. It has a very sturdy and very tight cap. Yeah, so it has very tight cap, so very easy to travel with. Let's see what they claim and what the ingredients are. What they say is it's a unique blend of minerals and clay for youthful glowing skin, and Garica, that is mineral clay, in the skin, enhances blood circulation. Fuller earth removes deep impurities, cools and soothes the skin. Rit Kumari, which is aloe vera, possesses softening, healing, and nourishing properties. Minerals like zinc, oxide, aluminum, and magnesium regenerates, repair, and nourishes skin. Let's talk about ingredients per se. One is multani mitti, which is full of earth. Gritika, which is mixed clay. Grit Kumari, which is aloe vera. Apart from that, in base material, it's aqua, pad base, methyl paraben, propyl paraben, sugandhi dravya, which is basically fragrance. So all those people who want to avoid any kind of paraben product, they must give this a skip. So it's up to you whether whatever you believe in. Usage useful in preventing skin diseases, roughness, dryness, and increasing skin glow. So let's see whether it increases my skin glow, whether it removes any kind of impurities from my skin, and roughness and dryness of my skin. It says that it is for normal to oily skin. I have a combination skin and I think I can use it. For all those girls out there who have dry skin and they still want to use it, you can mix a little more of aloe vera gel if you have Patanjali aloe vera gel or the natural gel, and you can apply it on your face, or once you wash it off, you can apply a lot of moisturizer. Your skin will be getting back to normal. So without wasting any further time, let's get started and see how it works. Now I will take, okay, so this is how the consistency of the product is. Very creamy, very easy to apply. It has a very cool sensation. Aloe vera and fuller earth, cool, and it soothes down all acne, pimples, any redness on your face. I do not have anything on my skin. I just have my eye makeup on. So we are anyways not going there. So very easy to apply, friends. As you can see here, I have been able to apply it quite fast. Now let's see how long I have to keep it. It says that start gently, let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. So we will keep it for 15 minutes and then we will see how it works. Till now I can feel my skin is very cool, feeling that soothness in my skin. Apart from that, nothing else. Hi friends, so the pack is on for around 15 minutes now. It's not dried completely yet on my face, but I am not able to talk, as you can already understand. It's kind of tightening my skin, so it's very tough to talk, but yes, it's half dry. And it was written there that I have to remove it in 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm going to do that now because it's almost 15 minutes. I'll be right back after washing this completely. So friends, this is how I look like post I wash my face. My face is looking lot more fresher, and yes, it is looking brighter than before. It was little dull before this. What do you think? Let me know in the comment box whether it has worked on my skin or not. Skin is lot more softer, and yes, you can see the whole lighting, everything remains same, and my skin is looking little bright, and the tan is little bit gone. I think with the consistent usage of 2 weeks, I'm sure I will be able to remove the tan to a large extent. And I am not feeling dry at all, so I am not rushing for moisturizer. I have nothing on my skin right now, nothing at all, apart from my eye makeup, which was anyways before there. Nothing there on my skin, and I am feeling really good. So a big yay to this particular face pack. It's only for 60 rupees, and for my international viewer only for $1, guys. And I think in $1 I do not regret at all. So yes, will I rebuy it or will I reuse it? I will. And if you want me to do any other first impression or any other review from any other product, do let me know in the comment box. Like this video, share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe if you have still not subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.